In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password if you forgot it. So there are two ways to do it. First way is go to your Facebook app, go to the menu at the bottom right, click on Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings, click on See in More Account Center, the first option. Then you want to click on Password and Security, which is the second settings below Account Setting. Click on the first one, Change Password, choose an account to make changes. And here you will see Forgotten your password, and then you will get your code to log in. But if you don't have your password at all, so for example, I am logged out. If I want to log into a new account and I click on Forgotten Password, then what you need to do is enter a mobile number or email address and then find account, and if that was the correct information, you will get that information on email or number, and then just follow on-screen settings to change the password. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.